Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine. Today we will do exercise number 4.4, question number 12. You can see in this question here are three expressions. First expression is x square minus x minus 6, second expression is x square plus x minus 2, and the third expression is x square minus 4x plus 3. First of all, we will take the first expression and then factorize. So we will find factorization of x square minus x minus 6. You can see in first expression here are three terms. First term is x square, second term is x, and the third term is 6. You can see in first expression there is no coefficient with the first and second term. So when there is no coefficient, you always take coefficient as 1. Now we should multiply the first coefficient of first term and the last term. When we multiply, it will be 6. 6 ones are 6. In the rough side, you can take LCM of 6. When we take LCM, we always start from the smallest number. 2 3s are 6, 3 ones are 3. Why we take LCM? Because we need such a number. When we multiply, it will be 6. When we add or subtract, it will be minus 1. So you can see when we multiply 3 multiplied by 2, it will be 6. When you add or subtract, when you add, it will be 5. When you subtract, it will be 1. So I told you before that you take this sign from the greatest number. When you take minus here, you can see it will be minus minus plus 3 and 2 is equal to 5, which is wrong. So you can take plus sign, then it will be minus 1. Plus minus minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. In next step, you can take a pair. It will be x square minus 3x and 2x minus 6. You can take common from this expression. When you take common, it will be x. You always take common the smallest power of variable. So you take common x, and the term in the bracket is x minus 3, because x multiplied by x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 6 is a multiple of 2. So here you can take as 2 as common, then you can write within the bracket x minus 3. You can see x minus 3 is same here. You can take common x minus 3. The remaining element is x plus 2. So here now we will take the second expression, and again we use a midterm break method. Now the second expression is x square plus x minus 2. Coefficient of x square is 1 and the coefficient of x is 1. Now you can take the first term 1x square and the last term and this sign. You can see when we multiply 1 with 2, it will be 2. So we need such a number. When we multiply, it will be 2, and when we add or subtract, it will be 1. So you can take 2x minus 1x, because 2 ones are 2, and when you subtract 2 and 1, it will be plus 1. In the next step, you can take pair. In this expression, you always take common with the smallest power. So the smallest power is x bar 1. The term within the bracket is x bar 1, because x into x square plus 2. In the second pair, when you take minus as common, the sign in the bracket is plus, because minus minus is equal to plus. And when you take 1 as common, the term in the bracket is x plus 2. Now you can see x plus 2 and x plus 2 is common. The remaining term is x minus 1. Now we will take the third expression, and the third expression is factorization of x square minus 4x plus 3. The coefficient of x square is 1. Now you can write first term and the last term, and we take a sign. Now we can multiply 3 with 1. We need such a number. When we multiply, it will be 3. When we add or subtract, it will be 4. So when we take 3x and 1x, it will be 3. Now we can multiply the coefficient of x square and the last term. It will be 3. 1 3s are 3. We need such a number. When we multiply, it will be 3. When we add or subtract, it will be 4. You can see 3 1s are 3. And when we take a negative number, it will be minus 4. Minus minus plus 3 and 1 is equal to 4. Now here you can make a pair. Now you can take x as a common, because you always take the smallest power. The term within the bracket is x minus 3. Now here you can take negative sign as common. When you take minus as common, the sign within the bracket is minus, because plus minus is equal to minus. And you take 1 as common, it will be x minus 3. Now x minus 3 is common. The remaining number is x minus 1. Remaining element or the remaining number is x minus 1. So finally you have to find LCM. Now LCM is equal to common factors into non-common factors. Now you can see which one is common and which one is not common. Now you can see common factor is x plus 2, x plus 2, x minus 3, x minus 3, and x minus 1 and x minus 1, and there is no non-common factor. So you can write, finally we can write x minus 3, x minus 1 and x plus 2, and there is no uncommon factor. Non-common factor you can write, it will be 1. So finally the answer is x minus 3, x minus 1 and x plus 2. Here our question is over. In next video we will do question number 13 of same exercise, which is exercise number 4.4.